So today I'm going to show you how to draw like a pro. Oh, and this video is brought to you by Squarespace. Whether you want to build a website or an epic online store, make your next move with Squarespace. Hey Gawx, you don't know what to draw, right? Well, okay, here you have it. Oh, thanks bro. And to draw my characters, I always look at people wearing crazy outfits on Instagram for inspiration. No. This time I didn't find anything good, so I decided to put on my crazy outfit and draw myself. Oh yeah, planning done. Now it's time to sketch. Okay, but we are going to do 3 sketches. First the ugly sketch, then the kinda good sketch, and then the detailed sketch. Okay, and your ugly sketch will be ugly as fuck.
Yeah.
Just use basic shapes to draw your character, and then you're going to use this one as a guide to place everything in the right place. Now it's time to draw the good sketch. Now draw all the details of your character and try to make it as delicious as possible. Oh yeah, my sketch is done. Okay, now my favorite part, and you already know what it is. Sexy lines. Oh shit, and I just realized that I have a French exam today, so let's do that real quick. Oof, my exam is done. I think I failed, but it was better than I expected.
Yeah.
Can you heal my girl? Can you take my mind away?
Sexy lines are basically just normal lines, but a little bit thicker in some parts. This will work to separate the details and the things that are at the front from the things behind them.
Can you take my mind away? And could you give me the curve?
Okay, and my line art is done, so now it's time to color.
Full body outward, white coffin and flowers, 2 C's for your bourbon.
And to color, of course, I'm going to use Copic marker.
Playful sparkles and ice. What a night like. Watch the table when you kiss the dead.
Okay, skin done, but I don't know which colors to use for the clothes. Oh.
Yeah.
So I asked my brothers on Instagram, but everyone said green, so I guess it's finally time to use it. Ew, nasty.
Oh, wait, look at this.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. The harder that you try, baby, the
And to get the pick color combo inspiration, I use Adobe Color. You can make your own color combos there or see the ones others have posted to get ideas for your own coloring. And to color the clothes, we're going to use 3 colors. A light color, a base color, and a shade color. First, color everything with your light color. Then place the shadows with your dark color and start blending until you get a delicious transition. And I know it's not Halloween, but look at my costume. If you guess who I am, I'll give you delicious paint water. But I'm thirsty as f, so let's drink some delicious coffee. Oh yeah! But before I finish this drawing, let me talk to you about Squarespace. Whether you're just getting started or an established brand, Squarespace supports the way you do your business. You can present your work using Squarespace professional portfolio designs. Show your projects in customizable galleries and add password-protected pages to share private work with clients. Squarespace also has automatic image scaling. You can just import your images or content from YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, etc. to Squarespace, and it will automatically scale it to ensure it always looks right and fresh. And it is really easy to make a website with Squarespace, but if you need help, they offer 24/7 email support service, so they will respond to you in about an hour. Holy shit, that's fast! Yeah, so go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Gawx to get 10% off your first purchase. And the body is done. Now let's start working on the crazy doggos. Okay, first doggo done, so now let's color the second one. But DJ Gawx, give me another song.
Sometimes you scare me, but I'm happy.
Don't forget to test your colors in a separate piece of paper before using them. You don't wanna use green by accident, my brothers.
Never
Yeah.
underestimated you. I guess I better pay my dues right away. Like, that's my bad. You should.
Crazy doggo's done, so now it's time to color the Crocs.
But that can get me, cause sometimes I act like a lefty, but
And I'm done with this drawing. And of course, don't forget the signature. Enjoy the reveal. Bye.
so if I wrote a song about girls, it's not about you, then it wouldn't be too old. We're laying in my tiny dark room with 90s cartoons, and I just had to say, don't wanna.
Okay, and this video is pretty much done. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and see you in the next video. Bye. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Basement